Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your bank account to find that money has been deposited while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with the power of free AI bots, it's not. In this video, we're going to show you how to harness the power of free AI bots to make money online without lifting a finger. That's right. With these bots, you can automate tasks, generate income, and make your online business thrive. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech guru to use them. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or an entrepreneur, free AI bots can work for you 24/7 without taking a break or asking for a raise. We'll show you the best free AI bots, how to set them up, and how to make them work for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover a new way to make money online that's easy, effortless, and most importantly, free. Dubverse.ai. Dubverse.ai is a platform that operates on the cloud and utilizes artificial intelligence to produce voiceovers for video content that sound realistic. Its advanced machine learning algorithms examine a video script and create a voiceover that resembles a human voice and aligns with the video's tone and manner. Users can pick from a selection of voices that match their intended audience and message. The generated voiceovers are modifiable, giving users the flexibility to adjust the pacing, tone, and style of the voiceover to fit the video better. There are several ways you can leverage this platform to make money. Create voiceovers. A way to make money with Dubverse AI is to create voiceovers for different types of content. You can offer voiceover services for e-learning modules, audiobooks, explainer videos, and more. You can charge per hour or per project, depending on the complexity and length of the content. Create dubbing courses. You can also create courses on how to use Dubverse.ai effectively to create realistic voiceovers and dubbing for videos. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, or you can create your own online learning platform. Offer dubbing services. A neat trick we've learned is by following Mr. Beast's lead. Mr. Beast have multiple channels in multiple languages. By expanding the reach of a brand, the more opportunities pop out. Same goes for you. Dubverse.ai is an excellent tool for dubbing videos and movies in different languages. You can offer your dubbing services to businesses, individuals, and media companies who require video content to be dubbed in different languages. You can charge a fee per minute or per project, depending on your pricing strategy. This AI bot is an innovative platform that offers several opportunities for entrepreneurs to make money. By leveraging the platform's features and functionalities, entrepreneurs can offer dubbing and voiceover services, develop custom dubbing software, create online courses, and resell Dubverse.ai services to their clients. 11labs.io. 11labs.io is a company that focuses on researching voice technology with the mission to create AI speech software that is highly engaging for publishers and creators. Their primary aim is to provide instant language conversion for spoken audio. They possess the most versatile and realistic AI speech software available today. For creators and publishers seeking the ultimate storytelling tool, 11 Labs delivers the most engaging, realistic, and expressive voices. Their offerings deliver high-quality spoken audio in any desired voice and manner by utilizing the most advanced and versatile AI speech technology available. Their deep learning algorithm reproduces human intonation and pitch with unmatched accuracy and adapts the delivery based on the surrounding context. With the help of 11 Labs AI technology, you can now increase your profits by doing voiceovers gigs online. This AI bot enables you to create the voiceover your clients require in just a matter of seconds, unlike the average time a voice actor would need to record it in their sound booths. To start earning from this, you can create a profile on some of the best freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, or Voices.com. Showcase your skills and provide high-quality voiceover services that can outsell your competitors. The AI technology offered by 11 Labs can significantly reduce the time required for creating voiceovers. This means that you can take on more projects and complete them quickly, which can translate into more income. Additionally, you can offer your services at a lower cost than your competitors who do not use AI technology, which gives you a significant advantage in the marketplace. By using 11th Labs AI bot, you can enhance your voiceover services and deliver high-quality work with great speed and efficiency, resulting in higher profits and a better chance of standing out in the competitive world of freelancing. Design Crowd. Design Crowd is a platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelance designers from around the world to create custom designs for various projects, such as logos, business cards, websites, and more. Nightcafe.Creator Studio is a website that provides tools and resources for designers to improve their skills and create high-quality designs. It is not directly related to Design Crowd, but designers can utilize the amazing AI capabilities that Nightcafe.Creator Studio has to create better designs for Design Crowd projects, which may increase their chances of winning contests and earning money. To make money from Design Crowd, designers can create an account on the platform and participate in design contests hosted by businesses and individuals. They can submit their designs for a chance to win the contest prize money. The more contests a designer participates in, and the higher the quality of their designs, the more likely they are to win and earn money. Designers can also create a portfolio of their work on Design Crowd, which can be viewed by potential clients who may want to hire them for future projects. They can also network with other designers and businesses on the platform to expand their opportunities and increase their chances of earning money. Naming Force. Naming Force is a crowdsourcing platform that allows businesses and individuals to crowdsource ideas and names for their brands, products, or services. On Naming Force, clients submit a brief with the details of what they need, and then the community of creatives on the platform can submit ideas and suggestions. The client then selects the winning submission and pays a fee to the creative who came up with it. WriteSonic.com, the AI bot we'll be using for Naming Force, is an AI-powered copywriting tool that helps businesses and individuals create high-quality content for their marketing campaigns. WriteSonic can be used in conjunction with Naming Force to earn money by helping clients come up with winning ideas and names. To use WriteSonic for Naming Force, first, sign up for a free account on both platforms. Then when a Naming Force contest is posted, we use WriteSonic to generate ideas and suggestions for the contest. Once you have a list of potential ideas, submit them to the contest on Naming Force. If one of your ideas is chosen as the winner, you will receive the prize money from the client. Using WriteSonic to help you come up with ideas can save you time and increase your chances of winning Naming Force contest. There are hundreds of contests every single day, so joining many of them using the content you produce from WriteSonic will make your chances of winning bigger. It can also help you improve the quality of your submissions and increase your overall earnings on the platform. YouTube Shorts. You can easily create YouTube Shorts by utilizing AI technology from websites like Video.ai. Video.ai is a platform that offers video communication and collaboration services. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to provide high-quality video conferencing and live streaming solutions for businesses. The platform includes various features such as screen sharing, recording, virtual backgrounds, and real-time language translation. It can be integrated with other business tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams to streamline communication and collaboration. This AI website has also expanded in more creator-centric services, like creating social-ready short-form content for various websites like TikTok, Instagram, and you've guessed it, YouTube. Using Video.ai will save you 90% of your time and effort if you go to the traditional route of creating shorts and repurposing long-form content. So you're curious about the functioning of Video AI? Allow me to explain. This platform automatically identifies, modifies, and adds captions to the most noteworthy parts of your videos. To utilize the service, you should take the following steps. First, upload a video from your device or obtain a link from YouTube. Then, specify your preferences and provide the AI with details about your desired video format, template, and other requirements specific to the platform. The Video.ai program will then produce tailored videos that are ideal for uploading to YouTube. Regarding earning money through YouTube Shorts, YouTube has recently implemented a new revenue program for the Shorts format, starting from February 1st. This means that qualified creators can earn 45% of the revenue generated by the ads displayed alongside their short videos, while the remaining 55% goes to YouTube. It is not necessary to be a part of the partner program in order to earn from this. Therefore, posting shorts videos frequently is crucial to earning money through this feature. Utilizing Video.ai can assist in making this process much simpler. Palette.fm. Palette.fm is an innovative AI-powered tool that is designed to colorize photos. With a broad user base that spans across the globe, it is being used by millions of individuals who have diverse interests and professional backgrounds. Its users range from Japanese seniors who wish to relieve their precious memories by adding a dash of color to their old photographs to experts in the film and entertainment industry working on big-budget Netflix originals. Palette.fm's sophisticated algorithm and advanced technology have made it a popular choice among photo enthusiasts, designers, artists, and filmmakers alike. The software's intuitive interface and user-friendly features have enabled people from all walks of life to easily colorize their photos with stunning accuracy and lifelike hues. Using Palette in conjunction with another AI bot like RestorePhotos.io can open doors by providing clients with photo restoration services. You can go to websites like Fiverr or Etsy and there will be countless vendors offering this service. You can just search on these freelancing websites and see for yourself the huge demand for photo restoration services. Now you might be wondering, what's the hack? It's simple. You use two very powerful AI bots to do the job for you. Not only are Palette and Restore Photos accurate, but they are fast and efficient, allowing you to handle multiple clients at a time. This gives you a huge advantage over the competition because the standard graphic artist will work on photo restoration for hours or even days. One trick to add is you might also want to lower the price for your service a bit. If the standard starting price starts at $5, you might want to lower your rates to $4. You might think this won't make a difference, but believe me, anyone would love to have a level of discount to the service or product they are looking for. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video informative and that you're now inspired to explore the world of free AI bots and how they can help you make money online. Remember, these bots can work for you even when you're not actively engaging with them. So set them up and watch the magic happen. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.